Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics. We are so excited here at Shabby Fabrics to be celebrating over 300,000 YouTube subscribers. It's incredible. I remember when we reached just 1,000. Now, whether you've been watching our videos for more than a decade, or maybe you just found us, we are so excited and we thank you for giving us your time and letting us share what we love with you. We love to show you how to make applique, DIY, you name it, we love teaching it. So thank you so much. Now, as you can imagine, it takes a village to do what we do here at Shabby Fabrics. And after watching a video, when you decide, I love that product, I want to buy that product, and you pick up the phone, you get to talk to our friendly customer service, or maybe you place your order online, but maybe you have a question. You know, our customer service team loves hearing from you. We love priding ourselves on outstanding customer service. And then, of course, now we're set in motion. We go cut that fabric. We pull it off the shelf specifically for you, and we cut that order. And now we go and we put that kit together for you. We have a team that has so disciplined, so careful to beautifully put together your kit. And of course, our shipping team does a fantastic job of getting those things out the door. So when you receive them, you're excited, you open your package, and you get to do the thing you love the most. Now, on set here, you get to see me, but you can just imagine that a video production is very elaborate, from people that set the set, photographers, and of course, our amazing videography team that actually films all the video and does the editing. And that's the amazing free tutorials you get to watch every single day. So lights, camera, action, here we go. Thank you so much for helping us achieve this major milestone and being a part of our Shabby Fabrics family. We love you. We love providing content for you. We look forward to filming more inspiring videos and DIY for years to come.